Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Josh, and today we're gonna do a little bit of a studio renovation. So, I really wanted to spruce my studio up with something on that back wall. It's so bland back there. All I have is that light, which, that does add a little something, but I feel like that wall is just too blank. I added this acoustic foam and, I don't know. It's bland. It's bland, let's be honest. So I was browsing Instagram when I stumbled upon this company called SpellBrite. Basically what they do is they sell these individual LED letters that you can clip together, and it kind of reminds me of like when you're driving past a business and it has an open sign. It reminds me of that, or like a bar vibe. It kind of has a bar vibe to me. So I went ahead and I got me a box full of goodies here. So really, this is the packaging that we're working with. They sell these individual letters. I took one letter out of the box just to see what the sizing scale was like. So I have all my letters. Here's the power supply. I'm gonna assume this is maybe the manual. That's what I'm looking for, the end clasps. Oh, duh. I already took them out. Right here. End clasp. So basically, you can go on their site and you type whatever you want to spell. You can add multiple rows if you want. So if you wanted to put a paragraph, you totally could. And all you have to do is clip the letters together. So we're going to see how easy it is. I haven't looked at the guide. Might as well. Yeah, let's do that. Usually when I don't, it goes horribly bad, so. Easy to build, it says. Alright, so step number one is to grab these bad boys. The packaging is actually really nice. You can tell that they sell them in the individual letters. So if you ever wanted to say, I chose the word subscribe. Pretty simple. I wanted something universal, but if I wanted to change that word and all I had to do was purchase additional letters, I could do that. But the packaging is really nice. Apparently, it comes with everything you need. There's a dang screwdriver in there. Wow. The hanging chain. I haven't really thought about my mounting options quite yet. I figured we'll piece it together and I'll figure that out along the way. It has another little installation thing here. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice that they include that. It has a plastic body, but I mean, I'm sure it'll do the job. Alright. These are the end clamps right here. I'm gonna see if we can't piece this bad boy together. I'll get my first letter out. All the boxes open same way. And they do come in different colors. I purchased red, but I think they have white, blue, something like that. Supposedly these are super durable too. Like I watched a video of someone running them over with a car and it stayed on, so I don't know. I thought that might be important. Alright, so end bracket just slides over like that, and there's little tiny screws. Looks like they won't fall out either, so that's nice. It's actually kind of satisfying. I would do this on my desk, but my desk is seriously a horrible mess right now. I'm still recovering from the holidays. Yeah, that's nice that the screws are actually stuck in there so they won't fall out when you're trying to put them in. Oh. Put it on backwards. I was wondering why that U wasn't gonna fit. There we go. And you can see on this side has the power supply, brightness. I'm gonna assume different modes, and then the on and off switch. There's an input. I guess if you wanted to daisy chain multiple rows of letters, you would use probably another little connector cord for that. I think it looks great. If you guys have any questions regarding the SpellBrite, I thought it was incredibly easy to put together and a little bit fun, to be honest. I think it looks fantastic, and yeah, I definitely highly suggest that you guys check them out. Shout out to SpellBrite. Yeah, other than that, I really appreciate you guys. Let me know what you think, and as always, hope to see you next time. Adios.